In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite and remove an accountant for QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing your business finances or simply looking to streamline access, this guide will walk you through the process with ease and clarity. Let's start by getting you signed in. Open your browser and head over to the QuickBooks homepage. At the top right corner of the page, you'll see the Sign In button. Give that a click. Now from the drop-down menu, you need to select QuickBooks Online. This option is specifically tailored for those managing accounts on the cloud-based platform, so make sure you pick the right one for the task at hand. The next step requires your credentials. Go ahead and type in your login information, ensuring everything is correct. When you're ready, click the Continue button. This will take you into your QuickBooks Online dashboard, where all the magic happens. Once you're signed in, it's time to access the settings. Navigate over to the settings icon, often represented by a little gear, located at the top right of your screen. Give it a click. From the drop-down menu, choose Manage Users. This section controls who has access to your account, making it an important area for managing permissions. Within the Manage Users section, look for the tab labeled Accounting Firms. Once there, you're in the right place to add your accountant. You'll notice a field where you can enter their email address. This is crucial, as it directly links them to your account. Go ahead and type in the email address of the accountant you wish to invite. Double check for any typos to avoid sending the invite to the wrong person. Now that the email address is entered, you'll see an option to click Invite. By clicking this, you're extending the ability for your accountant to access your QuickBooks data. It's a simple click, but a generous step towards collaboration with your financial professional. Once you've sent the invite, it's a good idea to notify your accountant personally that you've sent them access. This ensures they're aware and can promptly accept the invitation to start helping with your accounting needs. And there you go, you've successfully invited your accountant to your QuickBooks Online account. If at any point you need to remove them, you'll return to the Manage Users section, select their name, and remove their access. But for now, enjoy the peace of mind that comes with having a professional eye on your finances. I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more QuickBooks tips and tricks by following our channel. Have a great day handling your business accounting with confidence.